Okay, so the first ingredient that you will need is papaya. You don't have to put it the way I did, I'm just trying to be fancy here. And the next ingredient is curd. Now you can use 1 teaspoon of curd, that will be more than enough. And to that I'm going to add about 1 to 2 teaspoon of honey. Now once I've got all these 3 ingredients in the jar, I'm just going to grind this into a very smoothie like consistency. You don't need to use water, just these 3 ingredients is enough and you will get the desired consistency. Now your mask should look something like this. It shouldn't be too runny or too thick. This is the right consistency. It should look like a smoothie. So here I'm just pouring as much as I need into a small bowl, and the rest I will store in the fridge for about 3 days. Not more than that, 3 days should be more than enough. And to this I'm adding 1 spoon of besan, just plain GramFlour, and I'm going to mix it into a thick paste. Finally, this is how your mask should look. It should have this consistency for it to stay on your face. Now make sure that your face is clean before you apply a generous layer of this all over your face. Now papaya is excellent in removing tan and has anti-aging properties, and if you suffer from really dry and flaky skin, papaya helps give your skin the right amount of moisture. Curd has lactic acid in it, so if you have any kind of acne marks, scars, pigmentation, it helps lighten it and brighten your skin. And honey also will provide a lot of radiance and glow to your skin, while besan completely cleans your skin and removes all the extra dirt and oil and sebum. So this mask will really help provide that glow while evening out your skin and reducing any kind of marks and spots that you have. Now after you've washed it, you will notice that your skin will look extremely radiant and glowing and bright at the same time. As you can see, my skin looks extremely glowing and soft and supple here. Next, to finish off the routine, I'm just going to apply this Good Vibes Rosehip Oil Serum. This is one of my most favorite serums. I love how this makes my skin feel. I first saw Saima use this on her channel, and after that it has become my favorite. This serum helps brighten, hydrate and prevents premature aging. It is enriched with rosehip oil extracted from South African rosehip seeds. It is also a blend of oils such as almond oil, jojoba oil and sesame oil. It has no parabens, no sulfates and no animal testing done. Also, the Big Beauty Blowout sale is starting from 21st to 27th of September, and you'll get up to 50% off on 500 plus beauty brands, so you can go shop now. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I will mention everything that I've used in this video in the description box for you guys to check it out, and please try this remedy. It is extremely effective and you will absolutely love your skin, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.